So QT Tucker, Hot Wheel Hunting. Hopefully you watched that video right before that with that chicken skin. Ooh, I'm gonna tell you what's left of that chicken skin. Nothing. Chicken skin's good. Came up here on Walmart. Look at this. It's all kind of cases. So we're gonna see what they got. This is sitting there. They got this on the pegs. Looks like some new stuff, probably left over. Got the new V-Dub, the Alfa Romero, that Cornet, that new delivery, Monster Delivery, little Mini Cooper, couple Fantasies. We about to see what's over here. Let's look. Those are smaller Hot Wheels, Hot Wheel cars. It says cars. I don't know. That look like something. Monster trucks. I feel like I need a basket. You ask and you shall find. I might as well look and see what's over here. I mean, it's on. I mean, all these people here. Man, this how I be looking. It's some different like size boxes though. All right, I'll let you know what I get to. So that was all Jurassic Park up top up there. Them monster trucks. I worked at UPS one time. I know how to unstack and pack stuff. Shit, I think we should be able to at least look through the monster trucks. They brand new too. Also, I guess we can look and see what's back here. Excuse me. Yeah, there go one of the worker ladies. She's so nice. She said, excuse me. I'm in they toys. I don't see no Hot Wheels. No. Jurassic Park. But we'll look at the monster trucks. Okay, so these are some of the monster trucks I've seen already. Here go that Shark, Dinosaur, Clabro, Fred Flintstone, which is pretty cool. I've never opened up any monster trucks before. I got that one already. Titan Dude, got the Tiger Shark. Alright, so let's put this back. Alright, cool. Box number 2, it's the same thing. Nothing different. Yep, see what that next. Alright, so the third box is the same as well. Usually have a red on it. That's got the blue on it. We'll look that up real quick. Alright, so the fourth box is all the same as well. Nothing different. So I open up these are 5 packs, which is pretty cool. Night Burner, Track Builder. They got a Formula 1 in here. Hot Wheel Getaways, I should say. Nice. Pretty cool. A lot of these I've seen. Yeah. Yeah. Batman. Yeah. So let's look at the rest of them and see what else is in there. It's kind of fun going through all the boxes. That's cool. Thank you, brother. Formula 1 again. Track stunt. So, man. Yep. Nice to look through. Some Hot Wheel 5 packs. So this is the third box. Look like it's got Formula One as well, Getaway. That pickup truck is nice. It's in a matte red. The airplane is pretty sick too. Glory Gasser looks like it. Taco. That's nice too. I'm not sure what that is. Let's look and see. The Mach Speeder. Bad to the Blade was the airplane. Taco. Solid Muscles, the pickup truck. Glory Chaser, yeah. Alright, so I restocked them. I was putting the boxes on the to-go area. Nice gentleman that worked here explained it and told it to me. So that was cool, but no regular Hot Wheels at all. There's some more over here, so we'll take a look. So check this out. This is pretty cool. It's solid. I've never seen one of these before. They got a little device on it too. Make sure you don't take that sucker home. Happy Hot Wheel hunting to you. Hope you enjoyed that first video. That fried chicken skin was out of control. Well, much love to you, everybody. Happy Hot Wheel hunting. Deuces, QT Tucker.